Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Persian by Proshat. In this lesson, we're going to learn about a collection of z, which are originally Arabic. So the words which have these letters are Arabic. Same like zad, which is like sad but having a dot, and za, which is same like ta but having a dot. And this one, zal, which is just like dal, but having a dot. This is the separate form of zad, and this one the sticking form. Example, z, a, r, za, ra, r, zarar, which is Arabic and it means detriment. And its synonym in Persian is ziyan, z, e, a, n, which means harm or detriment, like that, the opposite of benefit. Another example, r plus e plus a plus zad, again plus e, together, riyazi, riyazi. Riyazi means mathematics, and it's Arabic. Its Persian synonym is rayesh, rayesh. This is the calligraphy form of sh, rayesh. Example for za, za plus o plus h, he do cheshm, plus r, together, zohr, zohr. Zohr means noon, and it's Arabic. So instead, we use the Persian synonym, which is nimruz. N plus e plus m plus r plus u plus z. Nimruz. Nim means half and ruz means day. So half the day is called nimruz. Another example for za. Za plus o plus lam plus mim. Together, zolm. Zolm means cruelty. And it's Arabic, so instead we use the Persian word which is setam. S-E-T-A-M. Setam. Let's go for zal. This is how we write zal. Again. Example, a plus zal plus y plus a plus t. Y here is red e, so aziat, aziat. Aziat means annoying, bothering. So instead we use the Persian word which is azar. Azar. A-Z-A-R. Another example, h plus a plus zal plus f, together, hazf. Hazf means removing, and it's Arabic, so instead we use the Persian word which is zodayesh. Z plus o plus d plus a plus y plus e plus sh. Thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with all the Persian lovers so that they can learn Persian easily. Stay tuned.